If you're tired of staring at raw spreadsheets and want clean interactive dashboard, Looker Studio might be the easiest way to level up your data game, and for free. Looker Studio is Google's free tool for turning raw data into shareable interactive reports. You can plug in spreadsheets, BigQuery, Google Analytics, and over 800 other sources, then build dashboards without touching a single line of code. So the big draw is flexibility and collaboration. You can pull live data, visualize it with drag and drop widgets, publish real-time dashboards that update automatically. Agencies use it for client reporting, marketers use it for ad spend and traffic breakdowns, and creators use it to track performance across platforms. Looker Studio isn't a true BI powerhouse like Tableau or Power BI. It's better for light to medium dashboards, not massive enterprise analytics, and while it's free, some premium data connectors come with a price tag. So if you want to visualize data quickly, share insights easily, and stay inside the Google ecosystem, Looker Studio is a no-brainer. It's free, flexible, powerful enough for most dashboards. Do you want to compare to Power BI or Tableau next? Drop it in the comments, and if this helped, give it a like. Catch you in the next one.